has shed around 5.5% of its value against the dollar in 2022, setting repeated record lows that saw the shilling briefly touch 120 shillings to the dollar Monday before retreating to the 119 level mark. Now, factors including high oil prices and dollar demand from companies in the energy and manufacturing sectors continue to pile pressure on the shilling. Edwin John Mukora on what to expect from the shilling this year.
The downfall that started at the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic in Kenya has seen the currency of East Africa's largest economy fall by 6.46% against the US dollar since January of 2022. Financial experts argue that the current depreciation will continue as a result of the global inflationary pressure, among other issues.
During COVID-19, so many businesses were not able to import what they're supposed to use either in manufacturing or in their trading. So when the economy was opened up, that pent-up demand for importation pushed demand for USD. And with demand for USD, of course, there is the price of USD will have to go higher. Therefore, Kenyan will go down.
Experts further note that the just concluded election, coupled with the impending petition, sent investors packing as they adopt a wait-and-see approach.
Our election cycle in Kenya is normally not very certain, so you'll find most FDIs leaving the country to go into other jurisdictions. And of course, it has come to pass that our election is not as smooth as it should be, though this time around we managed albeit smoothly. We are waiting to see. But election is one of the issues that has pushed Kenya shilling to slide down in terms of value vis-a-vis the dollar.
On geopolitics, the Russia-Ukraine crisis has affected the shilling indirectly, with a surge importation of the basic commodities like wheat becoming a challenge.
There's been a meltdown in the global economy. In fact, most markets across the world, even the strong markets, we've seen quite we've seen quite inflationary pressures across the world. Look at United Kingdom, look at the US. Inflation rates have hit rates that were previously seen, I think, during the World War. And with high inflations, of course, currencies tend to slide. And because our currency is pegged to the USD, it had to slide down. So
Kenya's debtors also contributed to the weakening of the Kenyan shilling repayment, as the country has to dig deeper into its forex reserve to settle its dollar-driven debt. With the current standing averaging at 119 shillings this week, with Monday seeing it momentarily touch 120 shillings against the greenback, analysts fear that the worst is yet to come.
And of course, the last point I want to mention is that our exports have not been very strong over the last 1 or 2 years. Remember, our major exports are tea, coffee, of course, foreign remittances. The three items have gone down over the last 2 years after COVID. So that has put a lot of pressure on the Kenyan shilling.
Edwin John Mukora, Look Up Business.